is we are continuing the topic basics of communication. We have already considered three or four points. Now let us consider the another uh, topic or point, that is effective planning and management. In companies, factories, firms, well neat planning should be there and management should be there. Suppose there are five-star hotels, three-star hotels where we go for dinner or meal. Waiter asks us what we require and we also give him our order. It is called communication. In hotels and restaurants, there should be proper planning and management. For that, we can do course of hotel management, uh, other management. So, for the management, of course, planning and management, communication should play a great role there. Next point is psychological needs in companies, factories, in business firms. We have to encourage the employees because in factories and companies, human beings are there for working. So we should means the authority of hotel teaches him, gives information to him that we should do like this, we should not do like this, like this. So we have to first of all motivate him. We should give, we should build confidence in him, confidence building. And most important thing that we should motivate him for doing such things. Because let there be factories, companies, hotels, restaurants, wherever you go, human beings should be motivated. Motivation and communication are one and the same thing. Motivation means communication. Through communication, we motivate ourselves. Appreciation. Appreciation means in Marathi, योग्यता ओळखणे, understanding properly. That is also psychological need. Appreciation. Appreciation also dealt with in communication, of course. In communication. Appreciation of good efforts. We should give feedback to others that yes, your teaching is very good, your lecture is good, like this, like this, like this, like this. Because even in the company also, workshops, seminars are carried out there. And in this, of course, we should appreciate, we should give feedback to them that we liked your lecture and so and so, so and so, like this. Again, there is most important point is counseling and warning. Counseling. Counseling means to give advice. Most of the senior people counsel to his juniors, and when we go for a refresher course, orientation course, the lectures, speakers come there, and they counsel with the students. They give counseling to the students. And through counseling, we appreciate his lecture, of course, his speech, lecture, of course. Warning. We sometimes we warn the people for possible danger. Yes, in next 2 days, something is going there. We just see weather report in television. They tell us the rain is going to occur in coming 2 days, like this. This is a warning. Warning can be orally and written. In written, warning is called a memo. Suppose we commit some mistakes in our college or in a factory or companies, we are given memos. What is memo? Memo is called warning to us. The last is persuasion. To pursue means मन वळवणे. To tell somebody to do like this. To encourage somebody, to inspire somebody to do something different things. It is called changing one's attitudes. Persuasion means changing one's attitude, thoughts, feelings, like this. So persuasion is important when change is expected. In this way, these are the how many? These are the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 topics are there, points are there. Through these points, we just see our main topic, that is basics of communication. Now, this syllabus has been given to you through the devices, mobile or anywhere. After joining the group, you can give me feedback. I am Professor S.J. Kohli. I am teaching English to SY BSc English. After attending the lecture, you can give me feedback also. Okay? In this way, here we have finished one most important topic, that is basics of communication. I have already told you. In our whole life, what we do for right from the morning to the evening, what we do, we just share our part somebody with somebody. It is called communication, my friend. Without communication, man cannot live. Man cannot live. Right from the morning to the evening, we communicate with so many people who come across with us, come in contact with us. Right from our family members. Suppose from the morning, we communicate with family members. Then we go out there. Suppose we go in the college or in the schools, there will also we communicate. But we are the employees of factory or business. We go there, we communicate. Means communication is the most important there. Without communication, we cannot live, of course. In this way, this is the most important topic, basics of communication. In the next topic, we are going to see process of communication, how the communication is dealt with. Okay, let us stop here, and in the next lecture we will go to see another point.